too often, when something breaks, we replace it. But what if we fixed what we got? What if, when your phone doesn't hold a charge, you replace the battery? Or if your computer's too slow, you saved your files and did a factory reset? Or if your monitor dies, you replaced the power supply? This goes without saying, but you can learn how to do anything on YouTube. And iFixit.com is a great resource for step-by-step instructions and tools to resurrect your tech. It's often a lot cheaper than buying new and way more satisfying gifting a product a second life, especially when you fix it yourself. Boom. There you go. Fix what you got. Thanks for watching, and happy trails. Well, that was meta.